In a world where content creation moves faster than ever, something exciting could be coming for creators: the rumored Sony ZV-E20. While it hasn't been officially announced, leaks hint at a compact, vlogger-friendly camera with 4K video, intelligent autofocus, and versatile features for on-the-go shooting. If the rumors hold, this might be the perfect tool to take your content to the next level. Sony could be gearing up to change how we create videos, and we can't wait to see what's next. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you won't miss any updates on this exciting release. Stay tuned, because the future of vlogging is just around the corner. Sony has refined the design philosophy of the ZV series with the ZV-E20, striking the perfect balance between minimalism and function. It's small, lightweight, and purpose-built for creators on the move, yet it feels premium and robust in hand. The polycarbonate shell keeps the weight under 400 grams, but subtle design tweaks give it a sturdier, more confident feel than its predecessor. The grip has been deepened for better handling, even when paired with larger lenses, and the articulating vari-angle touchscreen remains central to the vlogging experience. Sony has improved the hinge mechanism for smoother articulation, making it perfect for self-recording or creative low-angle shots. The control layout has been redesigned for one-handed operation, a huge plus for solo creators. Dedicated buttons for background defocus, product showcase, and cinematic vlog modes make quick shooting adjustments effortless. The built-in directional 3-capsule microphone now features enhanced wind noise reduction, and Sony still includes the detachable furry windscreen. Dual mic ports, a headphone jack, and a multi-interface hot shoe expand its flexibility for pro audio setups. Another welcome addition is USB-C charging and data transfer, meaning you can power the camera while recording or stream directly via UVC, UAC, without external capture devices. The ZV-E20 is compact, sleek, and undeniably creator-focused, a design that feels less like a downsized alpha and more like a purpose-built content tool. At the core of the Sony ZV-E20 lies a newly developed 26-megapixel APS-C XMOR-R CMOS sensor paired with the advanced Bionz XR processor, the same high-performance imaging engine found in Sony's premium A6700. This powerful duo transforms the compact ZV-E20 into a true hybrid powerhouse, offering exceptional clarity, fast processing, and lifelike color reproduction. The back-illuminated sensor design enhances light-gathering efficiency, which directly improves low-light performance and dynamic range. With up to 14 stops of usable dynamic range in real-world shooting, the ZV-E20 captures an impressive amount of detail from deep shadows to bright highlights. Color rendition is one of its strongest suits. Sony has refined its color science to deliver more natural skin tones and richer hues across natural and urban environments alike. Photographers will appreciate the RAW files, which offer substantial flexibility for post-processing, while vloggers and casual shooters can rely on Sony's pleasing JPEG output that's punchy yet realistic straight out of the camera. The Bionz XR processor ensures quick startup times, snappy operation, and reduced rolling shutter distortion, key for hybrid creators switching between stills and video. Low light performance is another highlight. Even at ISO 6400, the ZV-E20 retains impressive detail, contrast, and minimal chroma noise, outperforming many competitors in this class. Combined with Sony's extensive E-mount ecosystem, including both APS-C and full-frame lenses, creators have tremendous versatility, whether they're filming cinematic travel vlogs or capturing portraits with shallow depth of field. In practice, the ZV-E20 punches well above its weight, rivaling much larger mirrorless systems in both sharpness and tonal accuracy. Compact yet uncompromising, it represents Sony's continued effort to bring professional-grade image quality into a portable, creator-focused form factor that's ideal for modern hybrid content creation. Sony has made remarkable progress in color science over the past few years, and the ZV-E20 stands as a showcase of that evolution. With the addition of Sony's refined creative looks and the renowned S-Cinetone profile, this camera produces cinematic, ready-to-publish visuals straight out of the box. No color grading needed. Skin tones appear lifelike and flattering, while the gentler contrast curve preserves detail in both highlights and shadows, ideal for creators who prefer a natural aesthetic with minimal editing. For professionals seeking deeper control, S-Log3 and HLG profiles open the door to HDR workflows, providing vast flexibility for dynamic range and grading precision. Sony has also fine-tuned its color matrix to align more closely with its cinema line models, meaning ZV-E20 footage can integrate effortlessly with higher-end cameras like the FX3 or A7S III. A standout feature for vloggers is the AI-powered auto-exposure system that intelligently prioritizes faces, maintaining consistent skin tones even under shifting light. Add to that the new Cinematic Vlog mode, offering in-camera aspect ratio changes, letterboxing, and adjustable color moods, and creators can instantly achieve a filmic, professional look without touching a timeline. The ZV-E20 is not just about recording content, it's a tool for storytellers who want to shape their vision with cinematic precision and style the moment they hit record. Sony continues to reign supreme in autofocus technology, and the ZV-E20 proves it once again. Borrowing the same advanced AI-driven subject detection algorithms from Sony's flagship Alpha lineup, this camera can effortlessly recognize and track eyes, faces, animals, birds, vehicles, and even aircraft with remarkable precision. Its 759-point phase detection AF system spans nearly the entire frame, ensuring subjects stay sharp no matter how unpredictably they move. Autofocus transitions are now smoother, more natural, and distinctly cinematic, perfect for vloggers, product reviewers, or anyone shooting dynamic talking head content. The ZV-E20's ability to instantly shift focus from a person's face to an object held up to the lens makes it ideal for creators who need flawless, fast responsiveness without the typical focus hunting. Continuous shooting performance is equally strong, offering up to 11 frames per second mechanically or 20 FPS electronically, supported by an ample buffer for extended bursts. Sony has also refined usability, with a highly responsive touchscreen that allows quick focus adjustments, intuitive menu navigation, and full customization of key buttons. Power efficiency is excellent too, thanks to the proven NPFZ100 battery that delivers roughly 500 stills or up to 2 hours of 4K recording. Even better, the inclusion of USB-C PD power delivery means creators can record indefinitely when connected to external power, ideal for streaming, interviews, or long shoots. Altogether, the ZV-E20 combines Sony's industry-leading autofocus intelligence with creator-focused practicality, making it one of the most dependable compact cameras for 2025. The Sony ZV-E20 truly stands out as a powerhouse for video creators. It captures 6K oversampled 4K footage at up to 60p with 10-bit 4.2.2 internal recording, producing crisp, cinematic results rich in detail and color accuracy. Rolling shutter is impressively controlled, while Sony's active steady shot stabilization, assisted by gyro data, delivers smooth handheld shots without heavy cropping. For streamers and content creators, the camera serves as a plug-and-play webcam, enabling UVC streaming over USB-C and offers pro-quality live video without the need for third-party software. Connectivity is seamless, thanks to built-in Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, making media transfer and control effortless through Sony's updated Creators app, which also enables remote shooting and cloud uploads. Audio has received major upgrades too. The intelligent 3-capsule microphone automatically detects and prioritizes sound direction for clear voice pickup, whether filming yourself or others. Pairing it with Sony's ECM-G1 or any digital hot shoe mic enhances clarity even further, creating a broadcast-ready audio setup. A new professional-grade edition, LAN over USB-C, enables direct studio streaming and live broadcast integration, a capability once limited to Sony's high-end cinema cameras. Compact yet feature-rich, the ZV-E20 redefines what a vlogging camera can be. An all-in-one creative workstation that handles 4K filmmaking, live streaming, and professional content production with ease, offering creators a lightweight, versatile tool designed to match the fast-paced demands of modern digital storytelling. That's it for today's video, guys. If you found this video helpful, please consider giving it a thumbs up, leaving a comment, and subscribing to the channel. Don't forget to hit the notification bell icon so you never miss out on our latest videos.